Hey guys, I've just wanted to do a refresher on how to set up your Google Shopping free listings. This is basically a way to get free organic sales, harnessing the power of Google Shopping ads and your merchant feed. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up so you can start selling for free on Google today. Okay, so shooting another bonus video for you guys. So how to sell for free on Google Shopping. Okay, so how to sell for free on Google. So what do I mean by how to sell for free on Google? Guys, basically Google wants to take on Amazon and get as many people on their platforms as possible, okay? So across the Google suite, it's really ramping up e-commerce, and you can now actually submit your products for free shopping listings through the services program. So this, in essence, guys, means that shopping SEO is now a thing, right? So I will show you exactly how to do this and what you need, but basically using your shopping feed, as long as you have a feed, a merchant center account, and an online store, you can actually now have free listings. So some of those ads that used to pop up will now be replaced with free listings. That being said, ads are still going to be super important, guys. So a lot of people ask me, does this mean I will not need to pay for ads anymore? While Google does claim they will favor listings based on relevancy, so based on what the customer is searching for, and obviously a well-optimized feed and store is going to get preference there. I see a similar situation, and actually is happening right now, to how text ads appear in search, right? So you will have some organic ads and you will get some sales. Your free ads will not be something you're going to be able to rely on entirely, and you will still need paid ads. I think it's almost a way to tease people to bring them into it, but I definitely recommend at least signing up. If you don't get anything out of this course, this here, you should at least create your feed, link it to your store, have everything linked together, and then submit for the services program, okay? So this will allow you to have free shopping listings, getting you, in essence, free sales. So requirements to participate in the free ads: you obviously need a website or e-commerce store, you need a merchant center account with the services program switched on, and you need a product feed. Now, I recommend you upload all your products to your feed into this free program so you can capitalize on this, right? So the funny thing is, guys, Google is taking this serious. It's partnering with PayPal and Shopify payments to allow you to verify really quickly and to allow you to process payments right there and then, right? You can actually plug your PayPal accounts and stuff within this. So it's making it super easy. It's removing friction in the Google Shopping network. And if you don't do this, you're going to be wasting, you're going to be leaving money on the table, guys. Another note is that Bing also has this now. So I recommend jumping on board across those two. You can definitely get a few sales per day, totally free doing this, especially if you optimize your feed as per my optimization video. So how to set it up: go into your merchant center account, click growth on the left hand side, then go manage programs, click enable on the services across Google section. So as you can see on the right hand side what it looks like. Tick all the requirements on the policy page. Make sure you obviously include your shipping policy link there, and obviously all your policy pages need to be there and complying. This image here is old, so IN and US. It's now available across the whole world where shopping ads are being used. So there's a certain number of countries there. Agree to the policies, click activate, wait for a few hours, and it should be live, right? Now enjoy your free traffic. That's all you need to do, guys. So this is how to get free shopping ads activated and sell your products for free on Google. Thanks, guys.